Cork's 96 and 103 FM. The Breakfast Show with added...
Every morning we're winding you up on Cork's Big Breakfast.
Mick Mulcahy.
It's 96 and 103 FM's Best of the Wind-Ups Volume 2. Hi, I'm Mick Mulcahy, and we've got some great fun lined up for you. Starting off with day one of a 3-day wind-up that we played of Claire Sweeney, a Cork girl working in Britain. Now, she's working in an employment agency on reception, but come lunchtime when the office empties, her friends told me she has to handle the odd call about employment. So here's day one. Remember, part 2 and part 3 later on in the tape.
Hello, Mac. Employment Agency, Personnel Department. Can I help you?
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
I'm calling about the driving job.
Which driving job was that now, sir?
I saw it in the Times. I've taken to buying the English papers. Michael Foley is my name. I'm calling from Knockadiddy.
Yes.
Knockadiddy in Ireland, you know?
Yes.
No, I'm calling about the job there. Driver wanted experience with 7.5 ton vehicles.
That would be the job for the potato merchant. Is that correct, sir?
I'm not sure what it says. It says lifting involved.
Okay, can you just hang on one moment and I'll just get the file for that to give you a little bit more information, okay? Could you please hold the line, sir?
Sure.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a million. Driving away from home, 30 miles or so. I've been driving in my car up the...
Now, hello?
Who's going to drive you?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, Michael?
Michael.
Michael.
Michael. It's not Michael like Michael Jackson. It's Michael.
Michael, Mr. Foley. Okay, this is a job now for a potato merchant. It says here, let me just read, experience in 7.5 ton vehicles required. There will be some lifting involved. You need a good knowledge of the Midlands and the Northwest. The job involves bringing goods to wholesalers and retailers in the grocery trade.
Will I be bringing the spuds back to Ireland, like?
No, this is throughout the Midlands and Northwest of England, sir.
Oh, that's grand. So sure, I'm coming over anyway looking for work, so... Now,
Are you?
I'll be driving the spuds around the Midlands in England.
That's right, yeah.
And
the job is on a finished basis, a job and finished basis.
What does that mean? Do one job and finish up, is it?
You'd be paid on delivery. Now, do you have your HGV?
What's that in the name of God?
It's your permit that permits you to drive 7.5 ton vehicles.
Oh, I have an ABCDE here in Ireland. I've been driving loads of things like. Would that be transferable?
Actually, sir, to be honest, I'm not terribly certain about that. As a general rule, I think we only employ people who have the HGV.
I've driven them all, like I've driven cars and bikes and tractors and JCBs. I've driven harvesters. I've even driven Kango hammers.
Yeah, well, I'm sure you have. It's just a question of the transferability of it legally, you know.
I see. So I'd have to do an old testing when I come over in England.
You probably would.
Well, I could take you out for a spin now, and you'd see my abilities, like.
Yeah. Okay. What was your last position, did you say, sir?
I was driving around the West Cork area.
Yeah.
And I was doing lots and lots of driving now and meeting lots of people, and I really enjoyed it, like, you know, but I didn't last too long, like.
Do you mind if I ask you why you left your last position, or...?
Well, you see, I'm a fairly straight guy. I do an honest day's work for an honest day's pay, like. And I was promised this bonus, and the boss didn't give it to me, so we had a little bit of a falling out, like. I drove the truck through his office window, but sure, that's between you and me, like, you know. So he paid me the bonus in the end anyway. It was all sorted out. I had to wait for the ambulance though.
Oh,
Can you put me down for this job, or can I go for an interview, or what?
Well, sir, between now not having the HGV, and normally we do ask for clean documents, I'm not sure now if that driving the truck would kind of stand against you, but I'll tell you what you do. Could you send
don't
me
tell
in
him that, no. Don't tell him that. That's between you and me, right?
Well, sir,
I'm the best
I
driver
can't
now.
actually disregard.
I'm the best driver in Knockadiddy. Anyone you ring up for a reference on me will say I'm the best driver around.
Okay, I'm sure you're excellent. Okay, what I'm going to ask you to do, sir, is send on your resume, which would include your experience in driving and your personal details and stuff. We'd need something kind of like a personal fitness, considering this job does involve some lifting.
Right.
That would be okay. So if you get that sent on as soon as possible, to be honest with you now, sir, I'm not sure if we could consider you for this job because you will have to apply for your HGV. But if you get all those details in order.
Yeah. I have a friend with some lifting experience. He was done for shoplifting. Would he be ruled out now by that? He lifted Harrods 2 feet off the ground, like.
Well, we don't disregard entirely people with criminal records, but we do find that they aren't eligible for as many things as people with clean records. There are special schemes for people with past criminal records, but we don't actually deal in that business, sir.
I see. That's not an English accent you have, no?
No, I'm actually Irish myself.
Are you?
Yes, I am indeed.
Are you long at the job?
About 2 years now.
Right. Listen, you won't tell anyone about me driving the truck through the window now, will you?
Well, you see, it was actually you who you shouldn't have told. It was me you shouldn't have told, rather.
Go on, you'll be all right. Don't say a word to anyone, sure.
Well, I
know
wouldn't.
the difference. I'll take you out for the pint and all when I get the job.
Well, by all means, we'll do our best for you, sir, okay?
Okay, and if I see anything else now coming up from your agency, I'll be on to you straight away.
Well, don't hesitate to give us a ring. You should send us in your file anyway, and we'll do our best. We've got a very high
what's your name?
success rate. Claire Sweeney.
Claire, okay, Claire. Lovely to talk to you.
Okay.
And put my name on file there, Michael Foley from Knockadiddy.
I will do as soon as you send on your resume. That'll be in the post, will it?
If you're from Ireland, it's halfway between Lishmore and Mishna.
Right.
Knockadiddy. I'll put that stuff in the post and you'll put me down for that job, and hopefully when I come over I'll get an old interview.
Right.
Thanks a million, Claire.
No problem. Thank you very
all the
much,
best
Mr.
now.
Foley.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Would I get up early to listen to Mick Mulcahy?